Ever hear your stomach growl, even when you're not hungry at all? That sound isn't actually coming from your stomach. It's your intestines running a cleaning cycle. About every 90 minutes, your digestive system performs something called the Migrating Motor Complex. It's basically your gut's housekeeping mode. When your intestines are empty, they squeeze and contract to push out leftover food, swallowed air, and anything your body didn't use. Those contractions echo through your belly. And that's the rumbling you hear. It doesn't mean you need food, it doesn't mean you're starving, it's just your gut tidying up between meals. So next time your stomach growls at the worst possible moment, remember, it's not hunger, it's your body doing a routine internal cleanup.